I'm trying to tell you. The bro that said he was a moderator, he's not a moderator. Because he said...
I'm gonna go to the playground. Someone adult me. I'm going to the playground. Yo, dude. Here, come here. Follow me. Trusted user, follow me.
How do you become a supporter?
Trusted user, follow me. Follow me, ready?
You have to buy something.
You see these two blue books?
Bruh, there's something
If I just put this book in there, this thing would open. This entire thing would open. Ready? Here it is.
Put them up, Porter.
And there's a chest. And there's this guy who hugs your hand inside the chest for no reason. I don't know why.
Yeah. Guys,
I'm gonna go to the
playground.
There's more here.
I'm gonna go to the
There's more here.
There's
Goodbye.
something under the chest.
But there is? Wait.
Yeah, I see it in third person. Okay, here's the thing. How do you even get third person? Look, it's right here.
Only trusted user.
Nope, that's just the
I
elevator.
can go down. Yeah.
Sorry about that. That was just the elevator. Sorry about that. That was just the elevator.
Guys, come
I
with
will
me.
take that.
Okay, so this is the book that you need.
I totally know what.
I know.
Right here.
Someone come on.
Yeah, look at my
If you
legs
do
though.
want, if you guys can find me, you guys get to adopt me. The person gets to adopt me if you can find me.
How do you become a supporter?
Oh.
How do you become a supporter?
Guy supporter.
How do you do that?
What you mean there's something underneath the chest?
Oh, it's that cheap.
Bruh, but how do you buy supporters? Where is it?
Right here. Right here.
Where do you buy supporters?
Right here. Guys, I'm at the adoption center playground.
Where the heck is it?
This is trusted.
Someone come adopt.
Supporter. ABC to adopt me. Alright.
Where is our minion master? Minion master, where are you?
I'm coming.
No, that's the wrong minion master. I'm coming.
Wait, what is trusted badger?
I'm in our base.
What is trusted
I'm in
user?
our base. And I'm perfect minion master.
I beat
I'm
you
in our
up.
minion duck.
I
I'm in
beat
your
you
base,
up. Die,
buddy.
die, 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 die.
I'm in your base.
You like my badge?
Call me daddy over a call.
Ooh, I found the exit. It's fun if you're in our base. You just have to clarify the truth. Hey, Black,
oh my God,
you see
it
my
works.
hand?
It works, guys, look.
Sponsor person. Yeah.
Someone come and adopt my
Guys, why am I in the floor?
$5,600.
Sigma.
Dude, we can buy even more expensive more.
Guys, why
We
am
can
I
buy
in
the frog more.
Guys, someone adopt me. I'm at the banana.
How do you become a moderator?
Hey, yo, Orange, look.
Orange, how do you become a moderator?
Oh my God, guys.
Let me see the superpowers before.
Howard!
Oh my God.
Oh, no!
I'm into it.
Guys, wait.
That's different. I'm turned off third person.
Yo, guys.
You seeing the superpowers I could buy. Guys, you want to see
Look at
something?
my legs.
Hey, you got legs, boy. Come here.
Superpowers, they're just unnecessary.
Back
I'm gonna
up
buy the
from
banana.
here and look up.
brother
Back
got
up from
legs.
here and look
I'm gonna
up.
buy the banana now. This is a
I
frog.
just dumped onto the
I
wall.
bought it. I bought it.
How do you become a moderator?
Let's go clip it.
How do you become a moderator?
Wait, go as small as you
I've
can.
escaped the adoption center. I'm gonna go to the pool.
Hola.
Hey, who is trusted user? Hey guys! Who is trusted user?
I do.
Hey guys! Everybody!
Wait,
Everybody!
I before.
Everybody, go to mirror if you want to be Elliot. Oh my God!
Who said you want to be a trusted user?
Someone that's not
wanna meet me? Guys, I just woke up.
People want to
Alright,
meet me.
guys, everybody!
People wanna be
go to me
me?
if you want to meet Elliot. Everybody, go to me if you want to meet Elliot. I don't care.
I'm
Be
good.
going there if you're really Elliot. Yet, mirror. Go in there.
Oh my god. Gosh. Oh my
Oh,
god.
Elliot. I'm a tiny banana.
Pull off
Who
of
are
my
you? I'm a tiny banana. You need to I'm a banana who wants to eat me. Use a mod.
Oh my god.
Elliot. Put me in the
Oh,
chair.
get a gun! Fine, I'll use a mod. Dang. You happy now? Dang.
Go in there. I can't go in there.
Oh my gosh, this kid.
I'm getting out of here, man. This is chaotic. Guys, I'm out. Guys, I'm a banana. Who wants to eat me?
I do.
I'm a banana. Who wants to eat me? How do you become a
Oh,
moderator?
crap.
I want. Actually, how do you
That's
become an
actually
extra? How do you get? If you are like supporter, where you can go in a supporter event. I got a question. If you go to that supporter event. Ah, he's still here.
This is a money gun.
Now I'm a big banana.
It's a money gun.
Get over here.
Wait, you also
If
have
you
the
get
banana.
up here, there's nothing here yet. What? Can you tell me what's in there? Do we added water guns yet? Hey, what's down here?
We need to go in the battle right when we join.
How do you buy mods? Come to the pool map.
Yeah, get that gun. Bro, why is the gun back?
Someone come to the pool
I don't
map.
know,
Go
it's
to the
just a
biggest
glitch.
pool and look
You
up.
have to go.
Wait, that's okay. I'm gonna do the sickest dive. I'm gonna do the sickest dive.
Don't believe him.
Huh?
He's tapping.
Who wants to see me do the sickest dive?
Hey, you. Hey, Black, turn around.
Come to pool map if you
Black,
want to see
turn
me
around.
do the sickest dive.
Black, turn around. Hey, Black, turn around. Hey, Black, turn around.
Guys, look
you
up.
big ass
I'm
fucking
here.
retard. Nah,
Guys,
fuck you.
look up. I'm here. Look up. I'm here.
What'd you say to me?
I'm gonna do that.
I beat you up, man.
Tell me how to buy. Did you guys see me die? Did you guys see me die?
I don't even know if I have enough coins.
That's so weird. Can someone eat me? I'm a banana. Yeah! I'm a banana. Oh!
I have
Get
one.
over here. Banana! Don't eat me! Who wants to see me do
I'm doing the opposite, but Black.
sickest dive from the pool map?
Bananas eating a human today,
If you
boy.
want to do the sickest dive.
Get over here.
It's not. Oh,
Okay,
it's not a human eating a banana. It's a
Look up,
banana.
Yellow! Yellow! Banana, look up! I'm gonna do the sickest dive.
Oh crap, I'm getting
What is he on the
smaller.
trail?
This is a problem. Oh
He has a trail.
How was that?
I gotta go.
Oh,
How do you become a banana? I won't eat you only if you tell me how to be a banana. If you don't tell me how to become a banana, I will eat you.
Wait, are they stuck
Okay,
inside
follow
of
me.
the,
Follow me.
inside of the water slide?
No.
Follow me.
Did they trap themselves in the water slide?
Hey, you, orange.
I'm down.
Orange.
How do you find them? I'm a third person, so it's pretty glitch.
Yeah, me too. I am too.
Wait, let me do
I'm
something.
in
Why
third
is it not
person.
working?
Why isn't it going fast?
Yay! This is not scary at all.
Yeah!
Okay, chill.
Guys, I got little buttons.
Yep.
How?
Right here.
You can do it. Do it. Do this. Do this.
And there's a frog one too.
Guys, I'm gonna go dive in, okay?
Huh?
My
Who
first
wants to
dive.
watch me?
Hold
do
on,
this?
don't tell me I don't have
Who
enough.
wants to
You
watch
can try
me ain't moving. Where? Look up where?
Oh my God! Banana! Hey! Now I'm an actual banana.
There, banana. Did you like that? I use Skeletal. Did you like that?
Shoot me!
You wanna see me? What? I'm gonna do the sickest dive. I'm gonna do the sickest dive from all the way up here. Look up here. Hey, Orange. Look. I'm gonna do the sickest dive. Look up. Blue. Look back up me. At me. Can you teach me how to use Skeletal, please? Huh? Can you teach me how to use Skeletal?
Hey, banana. Banana! What's in there?
Hey, Black. Can you teach me how to use Skeletal, please? I own it, but how do you use it?
Okay, class, today we're gonna be learning the sword! Yeah!
Biggest stuff will be.
Okay, so follow me.
Everyone, it's time to go to
So come
class!
over here
Oh,
and you
crap.
pick scale tool. Look through there and look and pick scale tool.
No!
Now there'll be something on your left hand that says scale tool.
Everyone,
So push that
you're
trigger lock
right.
in your left hand and it'll become bigger.
It's time to go to
Put it
class!
down and
It's
it'll
time to
run.
go to
You're
class!
not
Cut me with your... You're not
No,
cutting me with your knife.
Run, Black.
No,
No,
it's
run.
time.
Here's this banana.
It's time for class!
You're never gonna get me with the knife.
Okay,
No,
you're
no,
never
no.
getting me with that
Oh, I
knife.
hate
No!
That's where you sound.
Get away from me! Sit down! Sit down! Get away from me with that knife!
Go.
I'm not getting away from me with that knife! So today we're gonna be reading this book!
This is my cheese. Bye-bye, teacher.
Oh yeah, my cheese is so delicious!
Just say one word. So shut up.
Hey you!
I'm good. Hi,
Come
teacher.
with me! Come with me!
Hello.
Teacher, I'll be right back! I'll be right back! Give me the Netflix!
Give me the Netflix pack. Give me the Netflix.
This is how we do it.
I got the perfect body for this.
Hey, die! He's coming for me!
Where'd he go?
Oh my god, he's big!
On a big screen because I'm tiny.
I'm beating him up. I'm beating up my next victim.
Teacher, let's go. Teacher? Oh, guys, I'm coming. I have a.
What are you doing?
Kids! Kids, I'm coming through. Oh,